New York. I'm going to New York City today and I haven't packed. I'm going for 4 days. Did I tell you guys that I have 45 minutes to figure out all my outfits and pack it in a bag? Yeah, I know. Okay, so here's what we're thinking. Last night, we're going to a Knicks game. So I thought, I know this is a little obnoxious, but after the Knicks game, we might be going out for drinks. With this, it's okay if I keep it closed. Knicks game, this is a little extra. Cool, got it. But then if we go for cocktails, and I can do this, and something's telling me I need black pants. A belt. Am I going down the belt path again here? This necklace might even get a second outing. Okay, kind of cute. And then we're going to go in full Canadian tuxedo. And voila. Do we like? Getting used out of these bad boys. Okay, and our first night, we're headed to Nobu, which is a sushi restaurant. I think it's kind of swanky, based off of, well, the Kardashians go in Malibu. So we need some tights. It's unfortunate. I think this would look better with some like slightly more see-through tights. So we're gonna make do. We could do the same. We could do samesies and get 3 wears out of these boots, which would be phenomenal. Or we could go a little cooler like this. The combat boot. Okay, either work. This makes me feel day though, daytime. This is making me feel nighttime. So I think these boots are getting their 3rd wear. Kind of dresses up the all black New York ensemble. Ooh, I just saw something. Do we throw on a fur though with the ensemble? Like in the feathers. Okay. And throw on a little clutch. Okay, outfit. Ready. Okay, now this outfit I'll be wearing to a condo tour. We're doing a $13 million condo tour in New York City. I don't know which way is the front. Is this the front? Yeah, okay. So $13 million condo tour. I figured out which way the front was. And this entire thing, I just got back from, I don't even want to tell you guys how much this thing costs to get altered. It is unbelievable, but I am an awkward size person. It fits a lot better than it did, let me tell you. This thing had like slits, but it was about down here. So now the question is, do I wear the white t-shirt under or do I need a black t-shirt? The whole thing, I ended up buying this suit and then buying it more than again because the alterations were so freaking expensive. So if you guys are short, like your girl, and have an awkward body shape that is not average, always have a budget to get things altered so that it looks proper. Otherwise, the proportions are just all wrong. So here's the other outfit we're thinking for the walkthrough. It's kind of like, yeah, I mean, it's like my Chanel wannabe suit. So I belong in a $13 million house. Combat boots. Should we try it with the black? There's just something that maybe is off. We're trying it with the black. God, we're running out of time. Okay, here's the look with the black shirt underneath. Woo, kind of feeling the black. What do you guys think? I think we're going black. I think we're going to do the black one. Black one? Oh. Okay, we'll bring both. Okay, I'm also filming podcast while I'm there with my girl Giselle, and I'm thinking just to get extra uses out of everything, keep the skirt, keep the black tee, throw the fur on, keep the boots, and voila, it's like a full on outfit but using everything that was already packed. Guys, I'm stressed. Okay, just to make it so we've practically worn everything twice, I have another dinner, thinking we wear jeans that I brought, a Chanel-inspired jacket, but over the body suit. And then I got these little booties from Zara, and they're like flat, like short, I should say, like kitten heel. I got these for like $40, and I didn't know if I was gonna wear them, but I'm thinking for bopping around the city, they're like short, comfortable. I love these jeans with the whole cinch. Not really. I'm out of breath. Do I change the jeans? I feel like if you have to ask, the answer is yes. So we're changing the jeans. Does that make sense? I think this makes sense. Yeah, I can do this. Maybe this is what I'll do the podcast recording in. The other outfit is what I'll go tonight in. I think I won't wear this anymore. Time to take this off. What else could we bring? Maybe it's that there's no purse. It's throwing me a little bit. This is not my best. And it's comfortable. Woo! Okay, and last but not least, and I'm down to the wire here, is my airport outfit. Some Uggs, a sweatshirt from a boy, spread love, and some pants. I think everything I'm gonna wear twice, except for that jean jacket. But guess what? We need an outfit to wear on the way home. So the jean jacket, maybe this will be airport outfit on the way home. And now, everything except the green dress, people. Got 2 uses. Boom! Let's go. But now the problem is, guys, is getting all this stuff packed in my luggage in T-minus 1 minute.